Hello and welcome to the Nodejs web scraping course. In this course you will learn how to scrape any website using only JavaScript and Node.js. My name is Stefan and I will be guiding you through this course step by step. I'm a full-time software developer and I build complex web scrapers using Node.js. I'm always expanding this course, and this course is based directly on the requests that I get from my students. First, you will learn how to scrape simple static websites such as Craigslist using Node.js and request. Then you will learn how to save the data onto a CSV file, and you will even learn how to save it onto MongoDB. Then we'll move on to more dynamic, more advanced websites such as Airbnb or IMDb that uses JavaScript-enabled websites. You will learn how to scrape these pages using frameworks such as Nodejs and Puppeteer from Google. I will also talk about architecture you can use when you want to expose your web scraper via an API. There's also going to be a little secret section about how we can scrape Facebook using a lesser known way. The ideal student for this course is someone who knows basic JavaScript, knows basic programming, but wants to learn in a quick and fun way how to scrape websites using JavaScript and Node.js. I hope you will enjoy this course. If there's any questions or suggestions, let me know.